Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to our new video. In this video I am going to show you how to make 3D picture in Word. Let's get started. Firstly we have to open a Word document. Then we want to make 3D picture in this document. First click insert a picture. Go to the insert menu and click picture option. Then choose a picture on our file. Now I can choose the picture and click insert. Now we can see here we insert a picture. Now we resize the picture small. Then we make the picture 3D, click the picture and go to the format menu. Then click the picture effect and select the preset. Then choose a preset on this preset. Now we can see here we make look like 3D picture very easily. We move the picture, click the warp text option and choose in front of text. Now we can see here we move this picture very easily, or resize the picture, or add some another effect like shadow, or reflection, etc. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.